My question is, are we on the brink of a constitutional crisis because of all those allegations na unconstitutional yung ginagawa ng mga institusyon?
We're heading towards that direction. We are heading towards that direction. And I hope everyone will exert their earnest and best efforts to avert this. We should forestall this. We should not allow this to happen. It is not healthy for our democracy. It is not healthy for our economy. It is not healthy for morality.
So do you believe that there's no world where a trial for Sara Duterte shouldn't happen?
There's a scenario because all these maneuverings, all these delays indicate an intention to avoid a trial. Everything indicates through the overt acts the intention to dismiss without trial. I'm sorry to say.
Okay.
But I only speak based on what I see, based on what they have done, based on the intention that is revealing itself.
Attorney Vice President Duterte held a press conference also earlier this week. She said the intention to weaken and frustrate us, basically he said that nag-fail daw yung effort na yun. Well, your response?
Nag-fail ang effort ng prosecution?
The intention to weaken and frustrate the institution, the OVP, basically failed daw. Your response, attorney?
It is the institution of the Senate that's doing this, not the prosecution. Because we have been doing our best to move this forward. So, mali ho yung kanyang binabato na direksyon. It is the institution that is doing this.